All right, this is a more advanced version of marching. It's still called marching, but it's in a little bit of a different thing. So just kind of make sure you know where you're at with your level and pay attention to the ones I send you before, because everything kind of builds on it. So this is marching number 2. So again, we're going to engage the core, but this time we're going to bring the legs up. This is really important. You want your knees to be directly over your hips. This is a 90-degree angle. Legs are parallel to the ground. We do not want our legs drooping down. Keep them up, because that's also going to engage these muscles. So here we are. You're going to drop one foot down to the ground, bring it back up, alternating sides. You're engaging that core, flattening the spine out to the ground, bringing the belly button to the spine, and alternating. If you're good here, stay here. If you want to up it a little bit, you can bring both feet down together and then back up. Again, this angle right here is not changing. We're not flopping the leg. We want to make sure we have nice, good core engagement, okay? It's not just, it's coming from the belly, but it's working through the whole kinetic chain. So this is a more advanced version, is bringing them down together. If you have questions, let me know.